Hey everyone, Tech here, and today we'll be talking about the new announcement done in CES 2017. New motherboards, water cooling peripherals, laptops, and a whole lot of things. Firstly, the new Acer Predator 21X. Yes, this thing is huge. It weighs around 8.5 kgs or 19 pounds. This monster contains 2 GTX 1080s in SLI, a 21-inch curved screen with a 2560 by 1080 resolution. The processor installed in this lap is i7-7820K, clocked at 3.9 GHz, 4 DDR4 slots with 64 GB of RAM, having frequency of 24 MHz pre-installed, 1 TB of NVMe storage, 2 more slots for SSDs, and a slot for a 1 TB mechanical SSD. There is a full-size mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX brown switches with individual backlit keys, fully programmable with different zones and all that fancy stuff of RGB. A number pad which flips to give you a precision touchpad. It has a 2 power brick to power this whole system, 9 heat pipes and 5 internal fans to cool the system down when you are under load, 4 speakers and 2 subwoofers. This will be available in February for customers and will cost $8,999 in the US. So if you want this much of power, you need to spend a very hefty amount of money. Next up, some projects from Razer, the company which makes awesome laptops and computer peripherals. Two of their projects. The first one is Project Ariana, a project for gamers to fully enjoy the game. When we play a game on a screen, the screen is the limiting factor for our field of view. To counteract this thing, gamers started including 3 monitor setup for much more realistic gameplays. Here is a thought about making your whole room to be filled by the game. Yes, here is the Project Ariana projector, which will exclude your monitor from the frame and will display all outer frames on the wall or on the surface surrounding your monitor. This will make your game much more mesmerizing as filling your peripheral vision with the game. It will scan your area and surround it with its depth camera and calibrate itself where you have to set it up. So you will get best graphics in front of your eyes on the screen and other less precise graphics all around your room. This will create a fully immersive experience. Your eyes actually see at higher resolution or the focus than they do in the periphery. So, as long as you're watching the screen, you won't notice any abnormalities caused by the projector or obstacles on the wall. Project Ariana is still very much a concept, but Razer is excited about releasing it, but not without some feedback. Next up is Project Valerie, again from Razer, and this is a much more interesting for laptop gamers. Laptop with 3 4K screens inbuilt. Yes, 3 4K screens. It was shown up on their new Razer Blade Pro. These have 3 17-inch 4K G-Sync enabled screens for smooth multi-monitor gameplay. The monitor can also handle the full Adobe RGB color space, and the components are very powerful enough for a video editor than Photoshop Pros. If you want just to use it for super wide Word docs, you will be happy to know that Project Valerie is built around the same low-profile mechanical keyboard as the Razer Blade Pro. Under the hood, there is also the same desktop class NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 graphics card with 8 GB of video RAM, cool 32 GB of system RAM, and the same vapor chamber cooling rig found in the single screen Blade Pro. Still, this is also a concept, and Razer will decide whether to launch in the market based on feedbacks. Next up is from NVIDIA. NVIDIA announced their GeForce Now for the PCs and Mac based computers. Just download Steam or any other gaming store from which you have purchased your game from. No matter whether you are on Mac or Windows, run the game from GeForce Now. The game will run smoothly and at high details. How is this possible? Well, NVIDIA set up a server which has their GTX 1080s installed, or in simple words, a GPU is installed in the cloud, which can be used by users to play games for a specific period of time by paying a little money without buying a new GPU or gaming PC for enjoying the new gaming titles. It will cost $25 for 20 hours of gameplay. More variable rates and time will be revealed later. Now Asus, MSI and Gigabyte presents their new motherboards based on the new Z270 chipset from Intel. Reinforced PCI slots, more PCI lanes, Thunderbolt, RGB headers, water cooling stuff and much more. The new AM4 chipset based motherboards were also seen for the new AMD Zen CPUs. EVG has started working on water cooling stuffs. They have started making radiators, CPU blocks with liquid pre-filled in it. You can separately buy each parts according to your need and space in your case and just have to connect those pipes with each other to make a custom loop in your case. This can be useful for beginners who wants to try water cooling builds for the first time. HyperX has launched their new Alloy RGB mechanical keyboard. This will come in 2 variants, Cherry MX Brown or Cherry MX Red switches with full backlit keys which can be customized with their software. They've also launched their new Pulse Fire mouse, which is aimed to user who doesn't want fancier mouse with 10 programmable keys on the side. It's a simple FPS gaming mouse with 4 DPI settings of up to 3200 DPI. They also showed their new Cloud Revival S headphones. This comes with a USB dongle for Dolby surround sound experience with a push of a button on the dongle. So much fun stuff is going around this CES and much more is to come. Corsair is also there to show off their new DDR4 RAMs with full RGB support. This means you can customize the color of the stick through a program, and each individual stick can be programmed according to their need. EA has also launched the gameplay of their new upcoming game Mass Effect Andromeda. New character skills, weapons. I will link to the gameplay down in the video description, so go and check it out. So this year will be fun filled with new launches in gaming market and with more RGB lights, and competition for Intel is on the way when AMD will reveal their new CPU lineup and Vega GPUs for targeting the high-end GPUs of Nvidia such as 1080s, 1070s, which is dominating the gaming market right now. That's all in this video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up if you like this video and comment down there about your views on the new Razer projects and the new monster Acer is about to release in the market. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel for more future videos. This is Just Tech. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.